Hello everyone. In this very short video made with Blender version 4.3, I'll show you how to quickly change the selected object while in sculpt mode. If you have multiple separate objects in the scene, like in the example I'm showing on screen, the sculpting brushes will only affect the currently selected object, which is shown in the outliner or in Blender's status bar. If you want to edit another object, instead of switching to object mode to change the selection and then going back to sculpt mode, you can simply hover the mouse cursor over the object you want to select and press the Alt-Q key combination. This way, you can avoid switching to object mode, changing the selection, and returning to sculpt mode. Of course, if you need to go through those steps for other reasons, remember the Control Tab shortcut as an alternative to selecting the mode from the menu in the 3D viewport header. Alright, that's it for this very short video. I hope you found it helpful. See you soon.